Hey everyone, my name is Austin Bram, and I am the AI evangelist here at EverWorker. If you're a sales leader, you've likely felt the immense pressure on your pipeline. Maybe your coverage is sitting low, your CFO is questioning headcount, and your best rep just put in their resignation. It's a tough spot, especially when you know that your current team is spending like less than 2 hours a day on actually selling. The rest is just pure administration muck. Deep research, crafting personalized drafts, and constant follow-ups. You simply can't scale pipeline by just throwing more bodies at the process that's already inefficient. We see 3 core challenges keeping sales leaders like you up at night. Number 1 is forecast accuracy and pipeline quality. Your current pipeline is unreliable, full of low-intent leads, and this leads to late-stage slips that actually erode the board's trust in you and your team. And ultimately, that kills your forecast accuracy. Number 2 is low sales productivity. Your reps are wasting over 6 hours a day on average on just administrative work. The research, the drafting, and the managing sequences, leaving far too little time for those high-value conversations. Number 3, multi-stakeholder deals. Deals stall because you don't know who all the decision makers are, and you lack the capacity to create truly personalized, role-based outreach for each one of those leads. So that leads to the solution. Why we built our EverWorker SDR AI Worker. This is not just an assistant or a simple automation tool. It's an AI worker that owns the entire outbound process, just like your top human reps would, but with 0 ramp-up time and 0 burnout. So here is how the SDR AI Worker solves those 3 core challenges, moving you towards our philosophy of do more with more. Okay, let me show you how our SDR AI Worker works. So this is the first screen that you see, where you can set up your profile, give it a name, give it a description so that the rest of your team knows what this AI worker is for and does, as well as you can set up tags. So in this case, this is used for sales, so we have it tagged as sales. Here is where you can add in knowledge to this worker. So I want it to be able to actually do web search, aka do the research on the prospects that I'm looking into, as well as you can input any kind of memories, which is where you might have heard of RAG before, where it can actually connect to a database and pull information from that database to keep it on brand, on consistency the whole entire time. Here is where the true meat and potatoes comes down to this AI worker. First off, you can choose which language model that you would like to bring in. So for this case, let's just use GPT-5 because it's the newest one. So this is where we come down to what you have probably heard of as a system prompt. The system prompt is what you put in the back end to basically teach it exactly what you want it to do. So you want to give it a role and objective, instructions, output format, examples, and final instructions. So here I've given it the role of an expert SDR and put more in here so that it knows who it is. But the true power comes down from instructions. Because when you think about the work that you do, everything that you do is generally a business process that you're following. So this is where you would put down that exact business process. And then it goes through different steps. So doing the prospect research analysis, email sequence structuring, cold email best practices, so on and so forth. And of course, as you can see, all of this is completely editable. Hello, I like this. I don't know, whatever you want to put there. Okay, so you can see that this is all done through natural human language to set up this AI worker. Now, GPT-5 is a reasoning model, therefore you don't need any extra reasoning. Output format is how you exactly want, in this case, the emails to be outputted. If you have any examples, you can put examples. We don't need any right here. And then just final instructions like do not lie, do not invent fake use cases or fake case studies. This is just the last things that you need to add to this AI worker and its instructions to follow exactly what you want. Then we come down to where Agentic AI comes in. Because before this, you're just saying, okay, I can do this on ChatGPT. Well, this is the promise of Agentic AI. It is LLMs doing things for you. And how do they do things for you? through either MCPs, APIs, or in our cases, we call them skills. So in this case, we have a few different specialized skills, which is what you see as specialized workers. It can send in emails, it can do contact lists from CSV, it can pull contact lists from HubSpot. I could build one to put the contact list back into HubSpot, schedule and date, time, email sending. As well as we've connected to our Microsoft Graph, OpenAI, and then different APIs that will just help out in this instance. Now, you can build as many of these providers as you would like, as well as many of these specialized workers as you would like to help do skills and tasks within this universal worker. So let's use this example. Okay, we have Christopher Good, who is a sales/marketing leader at the company Whatnot, with Whatnot's URL and then Chris's email. Now, I will say, for example, Chris actually works alongside me, but this is just an example where it will show you what kind of work that it can be doing in the back end. So let's show you when it actually runs. When it is running, it will tell you, okay, so process for request, thinking is done, and now it is actually responding to me. So this will take a few minutes because it's going off and actually doing things, it's connecting to different APIs, and it's doing the research beforehand. For example, if you've ever done deep research on Google Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT, you know that it takes a few minutes to actually go off and do things for you. So that's what you can expect from here as well. Okay, so here is confirming what it just did. It went through all the different information that I already gave it, saying there's no stored memories on Christopher. That's fine. And then here, as it goes down, it actually goes through the prospect research analysis, which goes through likely pain points and challenges based off of what it knows about Whatnot and what it knows about sales and marketing part of Whatnot. And then different trigger events. So like recently, Whatnot launched a wholesale function in June of 2025. It surpassed $3 billion in live stream sales in 2024, raised 26 million, so on and so forth. And as it goes through, it will then give you the different emails, personalized emails that can be sent out to Christopher, or in your case, whoever you want it to send it to. It is a 4-email campaign that can be now done for you. So all at the end here, it says, would you like for me to send the first email? All you have to do is say yes. Now, of course, Chris does not actually work at Whatnot, and nor do I have access to his email address. But all you have to do is say yes, send. Then it will connect to your personal Microsoft Graph account or whatever email that you use to send the email to the email that you gave it. In my case, chris.g@whatnot.com. Now let's just say for future purposes, you can always add on more skills and more instructions, like I said. So maybe now you want to connect to your CRM and actually log that it emailed Chris and what it emailed Chris, when Chris responds. This is pretty much where you can now iterate and think of what would be better and better and better to add on to figure out what is the best way to automate the entire workflow that you're trying to work with. So to recap what I just showed you, the SDR AI Worker writes highly personalized outreach and can actually interact with the prospect all in one place. It eliminates the manual admin work, delivers predictable, high-quality pipeline, and fundamentally shifts your team from doing just grunt work to high-value selling. But before you go, if you like videos like this and like to see what kind of things can be built on the EverWorker platform, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as you can find us on LinkedIn or at our website, everworker.ai. Stay tuned for future demos and other videos, and we'll see you next time.